Alright. Start. John Escalante to Mr. Rowdy Aquipel. Pull up. 2 points by Mr. RD. Looks like he's inspired. His family's here. Here to the Marvin. Back to Papalang for 3. No good rebound by Adrian. For 3. No good rebound by you. Pass to Marvin. Marvin. No good rebound by you again. Oh, right ball. 2-0 in favor of ICE Lifestyle, Mr. John Escalante. To Kevin. To Anore. For 3, Anore. Air ball. Was Marvin to Adrian. Adrian. They got a new uniform, red. So number 34, Lou. 7, Pabalan. The team captain for 3. Oh, for 3, Pabalan. Now number 1, John to Kevin. Mr. Castuera. Good move. To John. Number 15 foul, Marlon Mendoza. That's your first personal and first team foul. Nice pass to Anore. There's a foul, another foul. Oh, another foul again by number 15, Marlon Mendoza. That's your second personal foul and second team foul. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 12, Ryan Anore. First one is short.
Number 15 or number 7?
15.
Second point.
Marlon, you got 2.
Yeah. Let's see the second one by Anore. Another short rebound by Marlon Mendoza. Okay, Mendoza. Oh, good tap. See? Completed. John lays it in. Another rebound by Kevin. Shot by Mr. No good, AJ. Rebound by Adrian. Adrian. The defense is... Oh. What happened? It's the ball to number 6, Marvin. Back to Adrian for 3. No good. Rebound by... Same ball. Same ball. Wow. Mr. Liu is working hard underneath. Marvin. Good anticipation, same ball. Oh, just a 3. 3 points by Mr. Liu. The score is 6-2. For steal by Pabalan. 8-2. Adrian, scoop shot no good. Rebound by Marvin to Liu for 3. No good. Rebound by Anore. Power rebound. Here comes Ryan. Oops! Steal by number 34 Liu. Pabalan. Here comes Marlon. There's a challenge. Okay. Here comes John Escalante. 6-2. 3-point shot by ICE Prince. Kevin for 3. The score is 6-5, 1 point lead by Curious Knight. Whoa, power by you! Never be done by Marvin. Marvin and Ryan. Foul Kevin.
Don't play for the goal.
Alright, the score is 8-5. Bonus free throw to be awarded to number 6, Marvin Mendoza. Bonus free throw is no good. Rebound by Kevin. No good. Rebound through. Offensive foul. Offensive foul, Lou. RD. White ball. Substitution, sub. You out. Chris out. Chupo in and Mr. Johannes Mendoza. Mr. AJ Pagsuling unguarded by Johannes. Good defense. Whoa! Good rebound by Johannes. To number 15, Marlon. To Marvin, brother Marvin. Becomes Marvin to Chris. No good. Rebound by... Oh, there's a foul. Another. John. Number 1 is John. 2 free throws by Mr. Marlon. First one is good. That's 9. Let's see the second free throw of Mr. number 15. It's no good. Rebound by off. Gets up top. Another one. Okay. Last shot. Another bonus by number 15. Short. Rebound by Ryan. Ryan Anore. Same ball. Good defense by Mr. Chupo. Eugene Chupo. Okay, John Escalante, number 1. Guarded by number 2, Adrian to Anore. Power move, there's a foul. Who's foul?
55.
Foul, Johannes Mendoza. That's your 7. That's your first personal 14 fouls. First free throw by Anore is no good. Substitution, number 25, Pinta.
AJ number 3.
AJ. Yeah. Second free throw by Anore is good. 9-6. Whoa. Johannes to Adrian. RD. Running shot by RD. Good for 2. That's 8 now.
Go right now.
56 seconds remaining. 9-8. 1.8 by team pass. Okay, delay the game, White. Warning. 43 seconds remaining. To Eugene. To Marvin. To Adrian for 3. Long, leave it long. Rebound by Adrian. There's a foul. Mr. AJ Pagsulingan. First personal foul and 13 foul. Red ball. 20 seconds remaining. Adrian to Johannes to Marvin. 13 seconds. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. Eugene for 3. Whoa. And the of the first quarter. Whoa, steal by RD. 3-point shot by RD. The boys inspired. Because Marvin, nice move by Marvin Mendoza for 2. G-Money. Oh, steal by Mr. Johannes Mendoza. Miscommunication there by IT. Because Marvin again. Whoop! No good rebound by last touch red, white ball. G-Money. Because G-Money. Oh, there's a foul.
55, Brett.
Okay, foul. Johannes, that's your second personal foul and 15 fouls. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 7, A-Town. First one is good. Second one is good again. It's okay. Because Johannes to Marvin. To Arvin, that's Arvin. Rebound by AJ.
Good shot, Art. Stay down, stay down. Slide with him.
G-Money to RD. RD drives. Another 2 points by RD. The score is all 14 now. All 14. That's Marvin to Eugene. Eugene, there's a foul by Kevin. Second personal by Kevin and 14 fouls. 2 free throws after first one. To be awarded number 13.
Bakit 14 lang? 2 points yun ah.
Okay.
Sorry. Shoot niya.
Ni?
Ni Ardi, 2 points yun ah.
2 points.
Less than kanina eh. 11 lang. Okay, thank you.
Second free throw is good by Eugene. 13-15. Anore. Nice pass! Nice pass! Oh! It could be a same ball. Same ball. Anore. To A-Town. Power move. No good rebound by AJ. Nice pass to another block by Eugene. I know by Chris. 3-point shot by G. Over the backboard.
Okay lang yun. That's a good try. Hey, stop the clock please. Come on.
That's the way it is.
Hey, sub.
Sub ref sub.
Go!
D. Take a ball. Basta yung nakarelay lang yun.
Okay, 14-15. To Mr. Marlon to Arvin. Arvin go. 2 points by Arvin Bustamante. 17-14.
Si Marlon, fall trouble na number 15 nila, fall trouble na yan. Atakin nyo, Jay.
Okay, G-Money to RD. They switch. 2 points by RD.
Good job.
Okay. Oh, nice pass to Lu. 2 points by Lu. Kevin Lu. Now G-Money. 19-16 is the score. Anore to G. Steal, almost steal. John. Red ball, red ball.
G, tira na G ah.
Now Adrian. Nice defense by Mr. Masinda. Okay, now Marlon Mendoza. Whoa, whoa! Marlon shot. Oh, follow up. Another by Marlon. There's a foul. Mr. RD Akipel. First personal and 15 foul.
Nice up.
Sab after first. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 15. First free throw, Sinipat. No good. Sab. RD out, number 1, Escalante in. Let's see the second free throw by number 15. It's a low scoring ball game, 19-16. Whoa, no good again, up. What, another one? No good again, rebound by AJ. Oh, steal by Chris. Papalan, 2-point shot. No good, rebound by AJ. Good job. Red ball, good defense there by Chris.
Hey, shooter!
Right here. Okay. Now Marlon. Blocking foul, Mr. Anore. Warning for penalty. Sub left sub. Nice pass by Marvin. No good rebound by Lugan. And one. Second personal foul, AJ.
You better make this.
It's good. 22. No, G-Money. Whoa.
Let's go, Jay!
Shot by AJ is good for 2. Nice. Oh, Marvin. Whoa, good block by AJ. Arvin short, rebound by G. Good job. Nice ahead pass. Whoa! Rebound by Adrian. 3-point shot by Chris. No, the rebound by white ball. 52 seconds remaining. John Escalante. 4-point lead. Against John.
Attack, Jay! Attack! Ano ba? Kaya mo yan!
Against John to Ryan Anore.
Yan, shooter ka dyan ha! Lapus! Play!
Wow! Foul move by Ryan! Good for 2. 20-22. 2-point lead by Furious 9. 14 seconds, 13 seconds. To Marvin. Here comes Marvin. To Adrian for 3. Short. Rebound by Lou again. The back Lou. First is good. Another is good again.
Let's go, let's go. Go, guys.
Okay, let's go, let's go. White ball. G-Money. AJ. Oh, 2 points by AJ.
Hey, man up now.
Now Marlon, nice pass to Lou. Good fake. There's another foul by AJ. That's your third personal foul.
Ilan na yun? Tatlo na?
Tatlo.
Hey, don't drop. That's what I call it.
2 free throws to be awarded to Mr. number 34, Kevin Liu. It's good. Kevin Liu. Yeah. Second one is good again. 26-22, 4-point lead by the Red Team. Now G-Money to Ryan Anore. Pick. Here comes G-Money to Kevin. Oh, post. Oh, no good rebound by number 15, Marlon Mendoza. Now Adrian, ang bilis po. Oh, 2 points by Adrian Bustamante. 28-22. Now Mr. Roddy, RD Acapel. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 2 by Adrian Bustamante. Observer. Whoop. Whoa! Good defense by Acapel. G-Money for 3. Long rebound by Marvin. Because Marvin almost steal. Recovered by Marvin. Oh! Kumapit yung Texas. 30.
Sabo ko.
Yeah. 30-22. 8-point lead now by Furious 9. 3-point shot by Ryan. No good. Over the backboard. Red ball. Stop. Okay, 8 down in and John Escalante in. Okay. Marvin Mendoza to Adrian. Nice pass. Oh! Rebound by Marlon. There's a foul and third shot.
One.
Yeah, John Escalante, that's your first personal and second team foul. Same ball. Here comes Marlon. Oh, power move by Marlon. There's a foul. 2 points and 1. Ryan Anore, that's your third personal foul and third team foul. Bonus free throw is no good. Rebound by Ryan Moore. Power rebound to Kevin. There's a foul. Adrian Bustamante. First personal, Mr. Adrian, and first team foul. RD. Anore to RD. Roll move. No good rebound by Liu. To Kabalan. Nice bounce pass. Oh! Turnover. Number 1, John Escalante. Ryan, power move by Ryan. Oh, 2 points by Ryan. Nice pass, 2 points by Marlon Mendoza. Alright, 10-point lead, 34-24 in favor of Julius Man. That's Anore to Ardi. Ardi to John. Because John. 3-point shot by John. No good, rebound by Adrian. Come on, Adrian. Oh, nice pass! 2 points by Kevin Liu. Anak. Kemudian Escalante. Now Kevin. Mr. ICE Prince. Nice move. Rebound by Arvin. Arvin Mate. Now Marlon. To Arvin. So Marvin for 3. No good rebound by AJ. Pansalingan. That's AJ. To Kevin. Nice pick. 2 points by Kevin Castellera. 36-26. Nice pass to Arvin. No good rebound by Eugene. Pull up. All the way. 2 points by Eugene Cooper. Score is 38-26 now. Mr. Escalante to number 3. 3-point shot by AJ. No good rebound by Arvin. Up. White ball.
That's right. That's the foul we want.
Now AJ Pansalingan to Ryan Anore. There's a foul. 13. Kevin Liu. Second personal foul, Kevin Liu. And second team foul. Andre Anore to Kevin. Mr. IC Prince to Anore. Oh! Steal. AJ. No good rebound by number 15, Marlon Mendoza. Mendoza. Nagmamadali. To Chupo. To Marvin for 3. Whoa! 3 points by Marvin. Time out! Now, RD. Rody RD Acapel to G. Ryan. Here comes Kevin. Nice pass. Whoa, no good rebound by Pinta. Now Eugene to Marvin. Oh, here comes Johannes. Oh, he lose the ball. Turnover, white ball. Ryan Anore. Number 12. To G. Giovanni. Nice pass. 2 points by AJ Pansalingan. 41-28. Sino nakashoot? Alright, Johannes Mendoza for 2. 43-28 is our score. Honore to Akita for 3. Over the backboard. Turnover red ball. 1 minute remaining in our third quarter. Number 34. Whoa! Rebound by number. Whoa! By Arvin. 2 points by Arvin Bustamante. It's 45-28. 36 seconds remaining. Whoa! 2 points by Kevin. 45-30. 24 seconds remaining. Now Eugene. I think they're trying to take the last shot for the third quarter. 3-point shot by Marvin. Oh, another 3 by Marvin Mendoza. And like the third quarter. Red ball. Eugene shoots for 3. No good. Rebound by John Escalante. John. 2-point shot by John. Long. Rebound by Arvin Bustamante. Arvin. Whoa. 2 points by Arvin. 50-30. Crossover by Kevin. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul?
55.
55.
Shot.
That's your third personal foul, Johannes. Two free throws by Kevin. First one is short. Let's see the second one.
20 na pala.
Huh?
20 na.
It's good by Kevin. 1 point. Okay. Now Adrian Bustamante. Nice pass to Arvin. Brother Arvin. Shot by brother Arvin. No good. Rebound by Eugene. Oh! Time out.
Kausapin ko mamaya.
Rebound by RD. Here comes RD. Now John Escalante to AJ Pagsalingan. Oh. Now Adrian.
Hey, all the way. Run it.
Brian Arvin, long, nice pass. Rebound by RD. John, 3-point shot by John. No good again. Rebound by Liu. Ang dalang rebound ni Liu. Shot by Arvin, no good. Rebound by John. That's Kevin for 3. Oh, almost. Rebound by Liu again. Now Adrian. 3-point shot by Adrian. Short. Rebound by Sigaral. To John. Oh, turnover. Sub rep.
It's one foul. Play through it.
Oh. RD, no good. Rebound by number 44, Arvin Bustamante. Arvin, nice pass to Liu. Oh, turnover. Sub. Arvin out. Number 16, Marvin Bustamante. Now RD to still 19-point lead. by Furious 9. RD for 3. No good. Rebound by Marvin. Here comes Marvin. To Chris. The captain Pabalan. Nice pass to Adrian for 2. Money, G-Money. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by White ball. Same ball. Another. To G. No good again. Rebound by Liu. Nice pass to Marvin. To Chris for 3. Over the backboard. White ball. Now Ryan Anore. There's a foul. There's a foul. Adrian Bustamante. Second personal foul and 14 foul. 2 free throws by Mr. number 4, Mr. R.D. Rowdy Akipel. First one is no good. Second free throw is no good again. Rebound by Liu again. Mr. Kevin Liu. Wow, nice pass. Adrian. Whoa, 2 points by Adrian Bustamante.
They can't guard you.
Ryan Anore, rebound by Sigaral. No good, rebound by Anore. Another follow-up, another rebound by Sigaral. Whoa, Marlon Mendoza. Nice pass. No good, rebound by AJ. RD. To AJ. AJ, power move. No good, rebound by Liu again. Yeah. To Pabalan, Benitez, 2 points by Chris Hermin Pabalan.
Lapit tayo pa ba?
Ha?
Time out?
Meron pa?
Time out, time out.
Time out, time out. Okay. Now G-Money. 3-point shot by Kelvin. No good. Rebound by Red ball, red ball. Last touch is number 3, AJ. Whoa, head pass to Marlon. 2 points by Marlon Mendoza. Nice password. Almost steal again. Here comes Masinda. All the way. 2 points by Kevin Castuera. 58-33. Adrian. Same ball. Oh, steal. Oh, almost steal. Recovered by Mr. number 6. Whoa! Nice fake. Rebound by Mr. AJ. AJ, there's a foul. There's a foul. Foul number 55. Johannes Mendoza. Warning, Johannes. Two free throws. First free throw is good by AJ. Second one is good again. 58-35. Now Marvin Mendoza. Nice pass to Johannes. 2 points by Johannes. Kevin. Nice move by Kevin. 2 points by Kevin. Right. 37-16. Adrian Shot no good. Rebound by Adrian. Nice pass to Marlon. To Marvin. Oh. Shot. Oh, 2 points again by Johannes Mendoza. 62-37. One more steal. AJ. Steal by Marlon. To Pabalan. Short. Rebound by Kevin. Oh, I think 2 points by Kevin. It's over. Congratulations, Curious 9.